yo.
Smiling at your face, them a chat behind your back.
A real friend, me never want none of that. Just kill that, just take that for yourself, boss.
Now make them bill your weed with lizard tail and give you crap. Say them love you, don't fall for that.
Welcome to Talk Truth Jamaica, where we explore hot, trendy topics.
Man to man, so and just remember that.
Yes, all bad girl from Brayton. You find it, mama. It, mama. I am so excited for you.
Yeah, goody. Talk out your nice clean mouth.
Spice Song Frenz has been a runaway hit from day one, but it took fake friends to expose a real song. Let me tell you something. I hope Spice ride that song ya like how she like ride. Penis. Hey, big up God. Him a the real big man. Cause trust me, that song ya pull the gate for true.
Talk truth.
The video actually stirs up one's emotions. If the video for friends don't pinch a nerve, then you will watch it dead to the world.
Yeah, goody. Talk out your nice clean mouth.
Almost everybody can relate to this song. Also the video. Listen, some vampire where they are road, where people call friend, did need a song like this for dash a fire upon them. Friends is a single from Spice's upcoming album, which will be her first album in her entire career. All of a sudden, since Spice lose Friends, she get a #1 song, Name Friends, on iTunes reggae charts, and VP gonna release her album. Me say the gate pull for true.
Talk truth.
In one day, after the video was released on her Viva channel, the video rating over 500,000 views. Now what that me a talk about in comparison to the song Watch My Life. I told y'all that that song was a hit and miss anyway.
Yeah, goody. Talk out your nice clean mouth.
Watch your friends more than your enemy. Gracie, that song ya step on enough people too. And at the same time, it a open enough people eye. I really hope Spice maximize the true potential in this song and let the song run its true course. Not even Alkaline song the other day, rating over 500,000 views in one day. Well, in the coming weeks, make we see now. I wonder what the reader man is saying now. Did he pull the gate to let out Spice or what? Because it seems to me he was the one who was holding her back, because now the gate pulled for true.
Talk truth.
Listen, if you are Auntie Grace Hamilton, aka Spice, then just hold your head straight past the woman song now please.
Yeah, goody. Talk out your nice clean mouth.
But if you are a lover of dancehall and reggae without favoritism, then take a walk over Spice Viva channel and go pre the video they were named Friends. Trust me, the song bad like COVID-19. Smash that subscribe button, people. Make sure you don't miss another video. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what you think about Spice's new song and video. And remember, watch your friends more than your enemy.
To man, so